Hello everyone. Welcome you all to a new YouTube channel Ani Edu Blasters. In this channel, you will get various videos on personality development to improve your personality. Please do follow our series on career and personality development. So, let's move on to our today's topic. That is how to identify skills and interest in yourself. Starting with the interest. We all have heard this word interest, which means the things which you want to learn about or the activity which you enjoy doing. We can also say interest as the thing which we feel more interesting and love to pursue it again and again. The interest can be categorized into the following categories. They are as follows: interest in doing things, interest in thinking, interest in creating, in helping, persuading, and organizing. So, this was just an basic introduction to what interest is, to clear your mind about the interest. Let's now connect the interest with the career opportunity. Career. The word career with which each and everyone has been influenced one way or the another. The question, what career or profession should I choose for my better future, is the most common among the youngsters. The dilemma. Let's try to solve these questions and try to figure out the answer to this question in today's video. Many times we have seen that people are often confused with choosing interest as their lifetime career option. Choosing career wisely can give you an irremarkable result, which can help you to achieve great success in your life. We have mostly seen that people categorize their interest as in watching TV, listening to music or songs. But be careful in choosing interest as your career option, as listening to music cannot be your career option which you can choose. You must be very wisely in judging career option and interest also. That is, your interest is just an entertainment or it can be your career. You are the only one who can choose this. We all have heard the word entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, the word is the business which can give you the maximum profit. But in today's world or in the today's era, the word entrepreneur is not just enough. You have to be selfpreneur or sociopreneur, which means you have to be acquire knowledge of all different kinds of fields. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is skills. A skill is the ability to do something well. It is very as simple as the line mentioned, ability to do something well, which means the work which can you do very well. The most common example of a skill is the communication skill, which is very must in today's era. Let's move on to the types of skills. Functional skills, the things you can do. Subject or knowledgeable skills, things you know. Many times we have seen that people have good general knowledge in what is the current scenario, what are the today's current affairs, they know very well. These can be categorized as knowledge skills. Next is the personal traits skill. The example which I mentioned above of communication skill is a kind of personal traits skill. Communication skill is the only skill which can help you to achieve great success in your life in today's era, and you will become an brand. I hope you enjoy today's video. So, identify your interest and you can also choose them as your career option. Examine your interest and recognize the talent you can offer to the world. All the best to you. Hope you all enjoyed today's video on interest and skill. You can also check out our blogging link in description box and do take quiz on interest and skill. Also, comment below in comment section if you find this video interesting or not. Also, follow our series on career and personality development to help you to achieve great success in your life. Thank you.